Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you've got some furniture to move and you want to feel like you're super strong, check out these super sliders. These things are awesome. This is a set of 4 furniture sliders. They are 5 inches in diameter. And you also get a set of 4 of these fuzzy socks. So these are super simple to use. You simply place the slider under each of the corners of your furniture. If you're using these with carpet, you'll just use the plastic disc alone. And if you're using these on hard flooring, you'll slip on the fuzzy sock, and that will be a really good protection for your flooring. And whether you use them on carpet or hard flooring, they just work incredibly well. Your furniture is literally gonna slide around. You can do this with one person. You can move, rearrange furniture, do whatever you've gotta do, and it is literally so simple. The insert here is made of a high quality durable foam, so it helps to just keep your furniture in place. And you are gonna be so impressed with how much you can move even by yourself. So I use these all the time. They're a great product. Would highly, highly recommend if you have any type of moving to do. And that's my point of view.